In this video, I'll show you how to set up ExpressVPN on a router step by step. For this tutorial, we'll use a TP-Link router as an example, but the process is similar for many other router brands. But before we start, if you want my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and protects every device on your network automatically. There's a link in the description with a limited time offer and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. Installing a VPN directly on your router is one of the best ways to protect your entire home network. That means phones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and tablets all benefit from VPN protection without needing to install anything individually. Before getting started, make sure your TP-Link router supports VPN connections. You can confirm this by checking your router's manual or visiting the TP-Link website. Many TP-Link models support OpenVPN, which works seamlessly with ExpressVPN. If your router doesn't support VPN connections by default, you may need to install custom firmware, such as DDWRT or OpenWRT, although many newer models work without any modifications. Next, log in to your TP-Link router's admin panel by entering its IP address into your browser, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enter your username and password, then navigate to the VPN or OpenVPN section in the settings menu. Head over to the ExpressVPN website and log in to your account. Locate the OpenVPN configuration files and select the server location you prefer. Ideally, one close to you for optimal speeds. Download the OVPN file along with the required certificates. Return to your TP-Link router panel and upload the configuration file and certificates. Then enter your ExpressVPN username and password from your account dashboard. Save the settings and connect. Once the status shows the connection is active, your entire home network will be running through ExpressVPN. At this point, every device on your network is secured. This setup is not only secure, but also fast enough for streaming, gaming, and large downloads. With ExpressVPN's strong encryption and strict no-logs policy, you can browse, stream, and download safely. By the way, if you're interested in trying my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It takes you directly to a limited time offer and includes a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN right away.